In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable keyboard caps lock mode on your iPhone's keyboard. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let me show you how caps lock mode works. All you have to do to activate it is just double tap at the shift cap, just like that, and that will turn caps lock mode on. After that, you will be able to type in any characters in uppercase until you turn that mode off. And now let me show you how you can easily enable or disable that feature. So first off, head over to Settings, then General, Keyboard, and then you should find Enable Caps Lock feature. If you want to activate it, just turn that on, or if you want to toggle that off, just toggle off that switcher. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.